Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need our assistance to format and publish your blog post, we can do it perfectly for you. Just connect with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can add relevant icon list to your WordPress blog instead using bullet points. For this I need to install a plugin. I am going to plugin section. Click on add new plugin. Search here with Kadence. This is the plugin we need to install, but I already installed and activated this plugin. I am going to my all post section. I am going to open this post. Here has total 5 health benefit list of orange. Bullet list used here. But I want to use icon list instead of the bullet list. How I can do this? For this I am giving enter and clicking on this plus icon add block. After clicking here, search here with icon list. This is the block, and this block is coming from Kadence Block. Select this block, and here you see tick sign is showing as a icon instead of bullet list. But if you wish, you can change this icon. How you can do this? Firstly, you have to click here and come to the right side. This block section is already selected, and below there has icon option. If I click right side arrow icon, there has lots of icon. Which one you want to use, you can use. For example, if you want to use this headphone icon, just click here. You see this icon already changed here. And if I give a enter, next line also be same icon. By giving enter, I added total 5 icons. Now I want to add the text beside the icon. All text added beside the icon. If you want to change a single icon, for example, you want to change the second icon to another icon, just click on this icon. After that, come to the right side here and cross this icon. After that, click this arrow icon and select your desired icon for the second one. You see, first one is headphone, second one is another icon. If you want to change the third one, just click here and come to the right side and select another icon for the third one. If I select this one as a third icon, just select it and you will see their third icon is this one. By following this method, you can change icon for every list. Every single list you can change the icon. Now question, if you want to change the color of this icon, is it possible? Let me show you, it's also possible. Just select that icon, which icon you want to change the color. After selecting, come to the right side, click on style. After clicking the style, there has icon color. Click here and select color. You see icon color already changed. I am showing rest of the customization option. After selecting a icon, if you wish, you can change the icon size. For example, I want to make it 10 pixel. I am giving here 10. Now it's going to be smaller. If you want to make it bigger, just increase the pixel size as per your expectation. And if you want, you can change the line width also by using this one. When I am moving it here, it's getting changing. And next is icon style. It's getting inherited by default. If you wish, you can make it default or stacked. And if I come to the advanced settings, there has nothing actually. By following this tutorial, you can easily use icon, relevant icon with your text instead using bullet list or number list. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.